And now what we're going to do is install the theme that we're going to use to create and customize our WordPress website. So I want you to hover over Appearance on the left-hand side and click on Themes. And once you're on the Themes page, what I want you to do is click on WordPress.org themes. And once you're on the Add Themes page, you can see that there are a bunch of different categories here that you can search for different themes by. And there are a bunch of different themes that you can choose from. So you can find any theme that you want. But for this video tutorial, we want to find a specific theme. So what I want you to do is type in AIRI in the search box. And you'll see that this theme shows up by Themes called Aira. And this is the one that we want to install. So once you hover over it, go ahead and click on the Install button. And once the theme is installed, you should see the Activate button, and we can just click on that. And you should be brought back to the themes page right here, and you can see that the RE theme is the active theme now. And we should see this little link over here to visit our website. So I want to show you what the WordPress website looks like now that we installed this new theme. And once your homepage loads, this is what you should see now, and it should look a little different because we're using a new WordPress theme. And what we're going to do in just a little bit is go in and customize the theme settings to change the colors and the font styles, and then we'll learn how to use the page builder to create all the different layouts that we want for our WordPress website. So if this is what you see, then we're good to go, and I want to go back to our WordPress dashboard and move on to the next step.